Angisho ngalesi story ngizosixoxa ukuthi and then ngicela yondlana abafana but nizozibonela ukuthi nenze njani. Nami story lesi ngisixoxele umngani wethu esine happy ending. Kuya ngokuthi ke wena usibuka ngayiphi indlela mawusilalela. Usibuka ngendlela ukuthi umngani wethu ubhedile or usibuka ngokuthi umngani wethu wenza kahle. Okay. Nasi story sihamba kanjena ke. Sanibonani ke ubongole Ndlovukazi ngiza le ndaba wona uzana nini endlebe. Okay, umngani wethu ke uthe ukhule ekhaya lihluphekayo, ukhule kanzima kakhulu to kwaze kwafika isikhathi la efunda khona akaqeda azafika ka matric. When eqeda matric abese eyahamba evarsity afika asebenze but kube nzima nje until azagcina athola umsebenzi reception evarsity. Okay, nasi ke story. Umngani wethu ke while efunda ke lapha evarsity kusho ukuthi njalo makasa esikoleni evarsity uhlangana lo mfana wakupho waNongoma. Uhlangana nomfana kaNongoma amshela umfana amqoma umngani wethu umfana. Makamqoma umngani wethu umfana uthi ngimqoma umngani wethu umfana ngichazele nje usizo lwakho ukuthi umfana nje ohluphekayo nje uyahlupheka and but uthi ke umfana angichame angichazele nje umfana angichameke ngimqome. Uthi angitshela umfana ukuthi yazi ukuthi sisi angene umuntu onemali nami ngikhule ekhaya kanzima. Uthi ngimqome khona esho njalo ngibona ukuthi ngathi uGuy une potential. Hayi sijole nomfana uthi sijole umfana kana ngisho imali lokudla uthi ngaleso sikhathi mina ngiyasebenza esikoleni ngiyafunda. Bese umfana ngifundela ukuba i-social worker. Bese umfana ngilokhu ngalesikhathi ngisebenza e-reception esikoleni ngifunda ngilokhuze. Ngithatha imali mangiholile umholo ngithathe enye imali u10% of my paycheck ngihambe ngiyonika umfana ukuthi akwazi ukuthi umfana athenge ukudla umfana ukuze akwazi ukudla. Uthi ngikwenze lokho bongiwe umfana siyathandana. Uthi nje samathe nolima sihlukaniswa ilutho. The only thing that is standing between our relationship and life inhlupheko. Uthi hayi umfana uyahlupheka and nami ngiyagowa. Uthi ngiyalazi usize. Uthi so ngale mali enginayo imali ukuthi ngifike ngifake ekhaya bese ngiqeda ukufaka ekhaya bese nami ngifakela ukuthi ngikwazi ukudla. Hayi siqhubeke isikhathi. Uthi sijole nomfana umfana bese ngihlalisa phansi ngelinye ilanga athi noSipho ngicela sikhulume. Uthi bese ngiyalalela ukuthi manje uzothina angitshela ukuthi you can see ukuthi life yami imile mfethu sengizame konke ngifesile nami ngiyazi ngempela ukuthi ufesile because uGuy bengikade ngimthathela naye ama CV yakhe ngihambe ngiwafaka ema-company. uGuy uno code 10 ufuna ukudrive ama truck but umsebenzi dololo akawuthola umsebenzi. Uthi ubonile ukuthi ngifesile ngizamile ngikwenzele konke and nawe ngikunikile ama CV yami but umsebenzi anguthola. Uthi intombi yakhe bese ithi no just give me time, let me try and use ama resources asesikoleni njengoba ngi-receptionist maybe nasesikoleni ngizokwazi ukuthola lo msebenzi. Uthi uphele omunye unyaka basajola indoda loyal is a good guy but still akawuthola umsebenzi. Uthi until uGuy ngelinye ilanga futhi aphinda amhlalise phansi athi dude you know sengicabangile uyabona na ukuthi isimo sinzima ngeke ngikwazi ukondla umuntu osifazana impilo yami yonke isikhathi siyahamba manje ngiyacela ukuthi ungilalele mama kunento engifuna ukuyikhuluma nawe. Athi usisi okay ngilalele baba what do you want to tell me. Amtshele kathi mama ngizame konke okusemandleni nami uyalibona ukuthi usizilume lodwa and uyabona ukuthi inhlupheko ingaphezulu kwamandla. Iplan engisengisele nayo manje ukuthi ngihambe ngiyothwala. Intombazane at first uthi ngishokeke ukuthi uzoyothwala. Ngimbuza ukuthi hlobo luni lesithwalo leso. Athi umfana ngazi. Athi kodwa into engiyaziyo mangihamba ngiyothwala ngizokwazi ukuthi ngondle wena ngondle nami siphile impilo le esifunayo. Ngiyakuthanda angikwazi ngisho ukulobola kini angikwazi ukwenza lutho ukondla mina wondla abantu bakini. Uthi angeke ngikwazi ukuthi kuqhubeke kanjalo. Hayi nangempela untombazane athi okay before wenze lokho ngicela unginike isikhathi ngicabange nami. Uthi nangempela acabanga untombazane axoxe nomngani wakhe esikoleni amtshela ukuthi yazi boyfriend wami uyifuna ukuthwala. Umngani wakhe kusho ukuthi umuntu othanda izinto athi hayi miyeka athwale makahlupheka uyahlupheka uzokwenza njani kunini umfana wabantu ufuna umsebenzi. Uthi nami ngivume because vele usize ngiyalazi ngikhule phambi kwayo incindezi yokuhlupheka, so I know what poverty is. Uthi ngiye kuyena ngakusasa ngimtshela ukuthi if you think ukuthwala ikona okuzokusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ube nekusasa right ukwenze, but ungenza izinto ezingekho right. Ayina ngempela umfana abesethi umfana, but kukhona into engizoyidinga kuwena. Ngizodinga ukuthi wena ungibekele imali engango 40,000 rand ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngihambe ngiyothwala. Ugeli azama ucabanga ukuthi konje maningi amantombazana akanika abafana imali angabe sayithola and babaleka abafana manje mangizomnika kanjani le mali. Ugeli uyacabanga udla amathamba engqondo, but uyamthanda umfana nomfana uyamthanda. Agcine sedecide ugeli ukuthi no, ngizoyisave le mali, it's gonna take me 6 months ukuthi ngingathumeli imali eningi ekhaya nami ngingadli kahle kwayena ngingamnika imali. Sizama ukuthi sihlanganise le mali iziphume le mali engango 40,000. Nangempela ugela ayihlanganise imali uyi receptionist evarsity, ayihlanganise imali ithi thaqa. Isithaqazwa yini ke? Ayithaqazwa umholo wakhe. Ugela uhambile ukwenza loan ebank 20,000 to add on the money that she has already saved. So umngani wethu wasave 20,000 and then 20 wathatha kwi-loan ezoyikhokha kancane kancane. Nangempela bahlangane nendoda yakhe amnike amtshele ukuthi nayi imali hamba ubone ukuthi wenze njani, because nami ngikufisela ukudla ngifuna ukuthi uhlale uhlupheka impilo yakho yonke. Nangempela ugeli aphindele emsebenzini asebenze. Ugayi amchazela ukuthi okay ngizohamba ngemamboni eMozambique ila kuthwala khona, ngizobuya ngixoxele mase ngibuye ukuthi ikhambe kanjani. Uthi ugeli indoda yakhe inyamalale ihambe. Uthi yanyamalala indoda yakhe yanyamalala kwaphela isonto, kwaphela inyanga, kwaphela inyanga yesibili. Ugayi unyamalele akatholakala ocingweni mawumfonela, but uyawaphendula ama message amtshela ukuthi I'm still alive ngisakwi process. Ugayi indoda yakhe hamba lapho ukuthwala khona nje. Ugeli uthi worried ngalana akazi ukuthi indoda yakhe kahle kahle hlobo lesithwalo lesi yakusona. Uthi also a part of her is worried ukuthi what if lo muntu lena uthatha 40,000 wami wakhala iphepha. So ugeli abe nestress indoda yakhe. 2 months later ugayi uyaqhamuka. Uqhamuka ugayi umthuqasi nje akukhombisa ukuthi this change eyenzekile kuyena. Umthuqasi ugayi is so skinny, ungathi la kade khona ade ngadli or bese kwi cave, ungathi ubefakwe emgodini one dust. Ugayi amtshele ugayi ukuthi enene ithe inyanga yami isikhathi esingaka akumele ngihlale eduze komuntu osifazana, akumele ngibe nawe. Ngiyacela ukuthi unginike enye inyanga ngikwazi ukuthi ngilungise into zami, ngizobuya kuwena make izinto zami zahlangana ngiyabuya kuwena. Uthi ngizele kuwena ukuzokuthembisa ukuthi isithembiso sami bengikubekele sona sisekhona. Athi ugela hayi okay sharp akamthembi kahle hle ugayi manje because like ngazisebenzile lesi sithwala ade usenza emamboni. Hayi ke uthi ugeli ahlale ke ethembeni ayitshela ukuthi indoda yakhe ya konke kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe mayisi ilokhuzile izothwala. Ambuza ugeli ukuthi hlobo luni lesithwalo osithathile. Amtshela ukuthi enene mama ezinye izinto ezenziwa lapha akufuneki ngikutshele zona, but into engizokutshela yona nje ukuthi isithwalo engisithathile asihlukumeza abantu. Kumele nje ngihlale ngihlaba izilwane njalo ngonyaka. If ungakwenzi lokho then ilokhuze isithwalo leso sizophela. But ama details okunye nokunye ukuthi ke ngenzani ngeke ngikwazi ukutshela mama ngoba lokho kuyimfihlo. Mangikutshela kuzokonakala izinto zethu. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungiyeke mama ngenze into zami. Nangempela intombazane ihlala ethembeni ke while stressed izitshela ukuthi umngani wethu indoda yami sizoba rich, but angikho sure mhlawumbe isigebengu. Okay ngizolinda. Nangempela usisalinde uyeza part 2. Nangoku part 2 ayike usisi uthalindeke indoda yakhe inyamalala uduyi iphele inyanga inyamalela indoda yakhe. Uthe nje baloku bekhuluma ngama SMS ukuthi okay angikulahlile futhi ngisaqhubeka ngisakwi process, ngiyacela ungibekezelele until ngelinye ilanga indoda yakhe oyivele iqhamuke isihamba ngenquvu yemoto. ambuze ugela ukuthi hayibo usuyithatha le moto asho ukuthi phela into zakhe manje seziyakhanya sekuyahamba kahle. Ambuze ugela ukuthi manje nje izinto zakho sezikhanya kuhamba kahle so kusho ukuthi wenze kanjani. Amtshela uGayi ukuthi enene inyanga ingitshelile ukuthi angivule ibusiness so nginetafula okwamanje engilivulile eThekwini ngiloku ngidayisa but imali iyazizela angikazi nami ukuthi ngizokwenza njani. Iyazizela nje angifuni uqamba amanga. Ajabule uGeli, ajabule uGeli, ajabule uGeli. Athi you know kusho ukuthi sithandwa sami into zethu ziyaphumelela manje noGayi amthembisa athi manje sengizokwazi ukuthi ngihambe ngiye kini ngiyolobola ngikwazi ukuthi ngilungise ngikhokhele le mali okade ungiboleka yona ungondla ngayo isikhathi eside kangaka ngizokunakekela ngizokuthanda. Nangampela uGeli adle umbumnandi indoda yakhe iyamspoiler imenzela yonke into. Ngaso lesi sithwalo lesi uGayi kuthi uthwale ngokuthi kufuneka ahlabe inkomo ezu10 njalo ngonyaka. Kusho umngani wethu. Apparently umngani wethu is not supposed to reveal ukuthi indoda yakhe ithole ngohlobo lwesithwalo. Uthi but because ufuna ukutshela amantombazane ukuthi you know sometimes inika indoda ichance a benefit of the doubt. Angazi ukuthi indoda ufuna uyinika benefit of the doubt ngesithwalo yini but I'm not sure but umngani wethu uyinikile indoda. Athi ke uthi indoda yakhe bimupha lonke uhlobo lemali uthi iyaqhubeka yadayisa naye azabone uthi uGayi lokho ukhula like rapidly very fast uthi uyakhula uGayi. Uthi uyakhula nini uGayi agcine esenesitolo agcine esenako konke lokhu nje akufunayo.
Please go to the administration office.
Okay uyasiphazamisa lo singamnaki. So agcina uGayi enako konke akufunayo like usenesitolo emoli uthengile ifranchise uthengile ilokhuzana ifranchise sespa uGayi uthenga ifranchise sespa. Hayi nangampela uyaqhubeka kanjalo uGayi ubusy uwenza nje izinto urelevant nje uGayi udumile nje unemali nje uright nje. uGeli azagcina seyekile uGayi amtshela ukuthi because wayefundile kuba social worker engawuthola umsebenzi azagcine uGayi ethe uGeli akayeke ukusebenza esikoleni euniversity akafuna uzobe efuna umsebenzi ukuba social worker or if not she can stay at home. uGayi ahamba yokubuka uGeli ayolobole alobole kuthiwa kwakuyindumo ezulu kwakubukwa yena uGayi waletha inkomo ezihambayo nqina zafika inkomo zalenda kubo kantombazane mayilenda kubo kantombazane it was more than 15 cows. Uthi uGayi weza nenkomo ezu20 ekhaya ezolobola mina. Uthi makafika ekhaya zafika inkomo zathi kalada zafika ekhaya ngalotsholwa. Uthi uGayi uphethe nabantu bakubo baphethe nemali ukuzongilobola va ushawa imali engakanani. Uthi ngisaba ngisho kusho ukuthi wangilobola ngemali engakanani. Ashaya imali uGayi aqede lapho bese sicace kwakuyindumo ezulu nje umcaco umfana wakhona wakaNongoma. So nje you can imagine uthi sicace ngishade bese ngiyahamba sengiyohlala nomfana. Umfana khona la kaNongoma angitshela ukuthi okay ngoba mina ngangifunda eThekwini angitshela ukuthi umfana ngizosuka eThekwini sofuna ngisuke manje eThekwini ngihambe ngiye kuphi ngiphindele kwaNongoma ngiyohlala naye kuze kuba kwazi ukuthi bakhumuze khona sakhumuze khona. Nangampela ngivuma nginankinga phela mina indoda yami is financially stable like I'm fine. And I'm contemplating ukuthi uGeli umngani wethu uya contemplate between finding a job or ukuthi asebenze or enze njani uthi but ngirealize ukuthi no man it's not worth it because my guy is a provider. Uthi ke amakhele isithabathaba somuzi amakhele isithabathaba somuzi bahlale baphile kamnandi. Uthi kube mnandi nje impilo yaqhubeka. Uthi until one day Bongiwe uGayi angibize angitshela ukuthi enene uthi siloku siphila kamnandi until izinto ziqale zibe shaken. Thiqale manje ibusiness amabusiness aGayi uGayi use owner namabutchery. Uthi qale amabusiness aGayi ibutchery yakhe kuqhekeza igebengu zintshontshe kube empty kwibusha. Uthi uGayi abe worried umbone ukuthi ukhathazekile. Ngimbuza ukuthi yindaba like are you okay kwenzekalani. uGayi uthi nkosikazi wami ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngikutshele but ke kuyabheda. Uthi enena bese thi indaba ukwazi ukuthi uphinde uhlabe inkomo lezi phela obuthwele vele ngoba vele sizohlaba kanjani abese yamtshela ukuthi isithwalo sinemgomo nembandela isithwalo ezinye iminyaka ihamba siyaqhubeka. So now yena esakhe siyaqhubeka, sekufuneka agcine eqhube elala namantombazane. Acabanga uGeli athi manje uzolala namantombazane uphinde ubuye uze kumina. Athi if ungakwenze inkosikazi wami. Uthi ke mina I was a spontaneous woman. Uthi I was never ngangimthanda umfana, but I was never a girl clingy that was, you know, gang understand that. The only thing that I understand more in life was money, because I knew that I was so poor in life, so I knew that I needed money. Uthi ngazitshela nje ukuthi okay makathi ke ufuna ukuthi abe namantombazane, it's fine. So sikhulume no guy. Ucabanga ukuthi uzowathola kanjani amantombazane, because phela uyamtshela ukuthi the only way you can make money if I sleep with women. Nangampela uGuy athi enene maybe mhlambe mongi-organizela like a couple of girls in varsity, I don't know ukuthi uzokwenza njani, but mongi-organizela somebody. Uthi nangampela uGirl did organize a girl, uyamtshela ke umngane wakho ukuthi oh ngishade nalo bhuti lo ufuna indoda inkosikazi wesibili, and he's such a lovely guy. If you want to date him you can, I'm okay with it, because at that time babengakabi nabantwana. So what I'm okay with it, because abantwana akabatholi uGirl, because isithwalo also uGirl ngekaphinda abathola abantwana. Athi akabathola abantwana, so mhlambe ufuna undoda yakhe ufuna unkosikazi wesibili, so that unkosikazi athola abantwana futhi. uGirl uqamba amanga utshela lo Girl omunye wenzela ukuthi uGirl ahamba lwana nondoda yakhe, khona indoda yakhe izoba nemali. So uGirl is like a pimp ye boyfriend yakhe. Nangampela uGirl avume athi it's okay, oh kuyabe kuqiqi umfana masalale nentombazane, umfana useyayala intombazane, because the isithwalo sithi enene funeka alale namantombazane awashiye. Isithwalo sisebenza ngokuthi uGuy meke wa breaker that girl's heart, then isithwalo sizoqina sibe namandla. So uGuy umsebenzi wakhe uthala nezingane zabantu ashiye zihithekile zidankaza. Uthi Bongiwe, at some point in life I was kind of heartbroken ukuthi I'm doing this for my husband, and now uyazenzela on the side uyayitholela amantombazane, but I was like, you know what, if it's gonna bring money home, because uGuy wesengithengela izindlu. Uthi we had indlu eLalusha, we had indlu, uthi sinezindlu iTheku lonke, like, and I'm thriving. Abese uGuy sihlale phansi ngelinye ilanga ngitshela ukuthi and then okay now izinto zethu ngoba ziyaqhubeka because of women, I need to go back enyangeni ngiyothola ukuthi enene ngingakwazi ukuba nabantwana, ngoba inyanga ayimtshela ukuthi angazali, ufuna kakhulume naye mhlazane esefuna abantwana. Nangampela inyanga ahamba enyangeni, hamba 2 weeks abuye, ubuya nomuthi, bayadla nomkakhe. Nangampela umkakhe akhulelwe athola umntwana, nomntwana umfana akhule, umntwana kuyakhulwa kunjalo. uGuy usaqhubeka ngokuthalana nezingane zabantu, qhubeke uyaqhubeka ulana nezingane zabantu for them to be rich. Uthi ke umngane wethu kuyimanje as we speak, because it's not a long story. Uthi kuyimanje as we speak, Sisibongiwe, I am financially stable, my child is in one of the best schools ever. Uthi nginezindlu all over, indoda yami yangithanda, and I know that he loves me genuinely. So uthi ukulala kwakhe namantombazane doesn't affect me, because I know that we need to have money. Uthi it doesn't affect me at all. Ngithi mina guys, uthi it doesn't affect her, because she knows ukuthi at the end of the day indoda yakhe yamthanda, and imthanda ngoqiniso. These girls alala nabo akusho lutho lokho. Uthi so naye she's willingly participating in helping her man find women. So ngiyacela ke bangani bethu nibe careful. So uthi I'm willingly participating in finding my man amantombazane, and right, like endlini ingane zethu ziyakhula and I own everything. Uthi ayikho into engenayo. Uthi akukho la ngatravel khona. Uthi we constantly traveling around the world, but ngiyazi ukuthi imali yakhe eyobumnyama. Uthi and then she's not condoning isimo asenzayo nasenzile. Uthi lento wayenza sokuthi wayebona usizi indoda yakhe likulona. Uthi naye wabona ukuthi indoda yakhe yazama konke okwakusemandleni nayo ukuze kwazi ukuthi ithole imali, but at the end of the day wagcina ngatholanga. Uthi the only solution wagcina ebonile ukuthi okay ngcono athwale. Yes, and isithwalo the way saqala ngakhona ukuqala yes saqala ngeenkomo but siyaqhubeka manje sifuna ukuthi enene ala namanye amantombazana uthi I really don't have a problem with that. As long as I know that Mina, I'm taking care of with my kids. Uti because he's a provider and he's a full-on provider. Uti into eningi uzibhale ngami and uyangitshela ubungozi. We've talked about it and sat down. Wangitshela ngobungozi bokuthwala ukuthi if isikhathi siyahamba because lento kufuneka ahamba ama steps athile kuyofika usuku la azokuzomela ashone khona. Uti the only thing that worries me about our relationship naye is the fact that I know ngilingila ngizongishiya. But I know that magangishiya uzongishiya ngi-right financially and I also have certificate sokuba ilokhuzana social worker uthi I know that even if he pass on I will never suffer. But ngalesa sikhathi sisaqala kwe-relationship yethu uthi kwakunzima kakhulu uthi the only option definitely was ukuthi athwale. Uthi ngingangijaja ke bosisi manifuna ngabhala whatever comments that you guys have la ngaphansi uzofunda ama comments enu and also if uthi umngani wethu if you guys kukhona izinto enifuna like when if you were in that situation esinjalo would you have agreed to give umfana imali engango 40,000 ukuthi ehamba uthwala uthi also yena just to let you know uthi she doesn't regret it. I regret. Okay, yeah, we listen and we don't judge, right? So what you guys gonna do, you're gonna subscribe on my YouTube channel, you're gonna go on my Facebook and follow me, you're gonna go on my TikTok and follow me, you're gonna go on my Instagram Bongiwe Indlovukazi and follow me. Ngubongiwe Indlovukazi kuyo yonke indawo. Okay, you're gonna follow me and subscribe on my YouTube channel Bongiwe Indlovukazi ukuze so that I can still bring you stories like this. And lesi story lesi kuningi actually nge summarize because wow. Ndihlangene nokuthwala ngiyazi nokuthi ngizoyikhuluma ngizoqalaphi. Okay? But ke injalo ke. So please comment below which whether you would have done the same thing or not, and if you're saying you were not gonna do it, just explain yourself why I would do it and why I would not do it. Mina personally I wouldn't. Nje ngiyayisaba imali eza nobumnyama. Bye.